we'll talk about the types of epithelium under the microscope. How do we remember them and how do we memorize them under 10 minutes? So first is just remember this mnemonic SCC. Okay. So S stands for squamous, C stands for cuboidal, and C stands for columnar. So the basis of the histology under microscope, anything microscopically about cells will be divided into these three: squamous, cuboidal, and columnar. Okay. Now about the layers. How do we define the layers? What is actually called as simple epithelium? Simple epithelium means that there is single layer of cells. Now, as you can see, the basement membrane is this. I have labeled it also. And number of layers. So, there's just one layer. So, if this is a simple epithelium, okay, this is simple epithelium. And if we keep on adding layers, the definition will change. So this is the complete layer. So if it is squamous, then we will call it simple squamous epithelium. Now, if we add layers to the base cells, so this is the basement membrane. Now I have added 4 layers, 1, 2, 3, 4. So as you can see, there are 4 layers, multiple layers. So this multiple layer of cell will be called as stratified epithelium. Now, if it is squamous in nature, then it is called as stratified squamous epithelium. Okay, squamous epithelium. Okay, now for example, if we want to make it stratified cuboidal epithelium, so we will draw one basement membrane and square like cells, and we keep on adding layers. Okay, so this will become nucleus. This will become simple stratified cuboidal epithelium. Stratified cuboidal epithelium. Now, there is another one term which is called as pseudo stratified. The layer is single, but because of different level of nucleus, mind it, all right, different level of nucleus, it appears, it is just appearing without any reality, appears to be having multiple layers. So I've drawn another diagram. So this is a single basement membrane, all right. Now cells are single, but because of the nucleus positioning, it appears as if, you know, they are multiple. So if you cut it, there will be a single layer of cell, because it is about the nucleus level which is present. So single layer of cells with different level of nuclei will give you pseudo stratified. What pseudo means? Pseudo means anything which is not original. Pseudo means fake. So fake stratified we can call it. Okay, as you can see, these cylinder like cells, this is columnar. So this is pseudo stratified columnar epithelium. Okay, now how to detect which kind of cell or epithelium it is? So I'll just give you very strict example. Basement membrane, and the cell is, it's like as if lying down taking some rest, then it is squamous. Okay, so the flattened cell is called a squamous cell, like on your skin. How will you remember this? Your skin needs to be flat without any bump, pimple, acne, or comedones. So anything which is flat is squamous, and the most common example is skin. So your skin should be flat. All right. Now, cuboidal. If cells are square, nice square, then you can say that, okay, this is like a cuboidal epithelium. Okay, so if you make a 3D picture of it, you'll get a cube. All right, so cuboidal, cube is the word, and square. So basically the 2D representation of an epithelium will appear as square, but if there is a 3D representation, then it will become a cube, proper cube, like a rolled dice. All right, so like we play in board games. So this is cuboidal. Now, if there is a cell standing tall, its length is more than its breadth. Okay, then it is columnar. For columnar, you can remember cylinder also. Cylinder. So cells are long and nucleus, they are elongated, and length is more than breadth, and this is columnar epithelium. Okay, so one is column, one is cuboidal, and one is squamous. That's it.